upon a time, there was a house with a family inside. Ooh. They were called the Melon family. They were always playing and all of that until one day happened. Son, should we go to the shops? For what? Cat litter, we have a cat. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, I'm coming. Then they went to the shops. Ooh, this is so fun, isn't it, Mom? You're right. Oh, let's go. Okay, I'm coming. Then they began getting ready for the shop. Okay, Mom, I'm gonna go get ready. Stay right there. I'm gonna get little bro. And then little brother came. Oh. But then somehow the earthquake happened. Oh yes, brother. We are gonna go to the shop with Mommy. Yay. I'm so ready. Help me. Hey, wait a second. Okay, let's go with. Hey, I'm skinny. I'm too fat. There we go. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm fat. Okay, I'm ready to go. And then they went to the shops with them. Where's Mom? She's getting ready. Where's my beautiful dress? There it is, my beautiful dress. Let's go. Oh my, stop. Son, help. Mom, what is that? I don't know. It's breaking the whole house down. Quick, get out. The house might collapse. Hey, wait. Oh, the front door's starting to collapse. Come on. Quick, grab my regen potion. Where's my regen potion? Fine. Let's go, guys. No, come on. Quick. Yes, I'm okay. Mommy, we're stuck. Somehow break. I need to somehow break this. Let me get something. Okay, so that is very strong. Do have iron. Iron is very strong. Okay. The whole house collapsed. And the brother like, wait, you can feel it the whole time. I just have to hold my mouth. Oh no, the whole house collapsed. Where's my little brother? I have to go. No, I have to call Dad. Woo! Woo! Oh my God, my son. What's happening? I have to go grab them. Let's go. Running first. Wait. What's going on? What do you want? Mom is somewhere and then I don't know where little girl is. Woohoo! Oh, I hear him. Yeah. Okay, where is he? There he is, you little. Come over here. Why you never listen to your mom? I don't know. Then get the Kamehameha. That's what I thought. You brought from the one. You get the immortal now. Wait, really? Yeah, now I'm gonna be unstoppable. Not that unstoppable. I have to kill you first. Okay, come back. What? You actually give me more power. Let's see. I have immortality. You, brother, you suck. I know you were gonna say that. Guess what you get? What? Get this. Not a shotgun. No, I don't wanna die at this age. You're already dead. I know how you still talking. Where's your head? There it is. Let's see if I'm actually immortal. Hey, brother, guess what? I guess I'm gonna. Where's Mother? I don't know. She just died. The brother was lagging. Huh. Clear corpses. Clear the breed. And clear the cows. Okay, now it should be better. Yep. Okay, so you get the auto rifle. And I get the revolver. No, I get the revolver. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, Father. I guess. Hey, you, yeah? Get this. Wait, that's you. That actually is kind of cool. Bro, let me finish him off. You're doing a bad job. Oh. Never mind, you're not doing a bad job. You're actually doing a good job. Let's say bye-bye. Okay, let's go. There's the house pieces. Could Mama be here? Father. How are you staying alive there? Let's get out. Quick. Go. sunshine, where are you? Oh, you're there. Dude, why do you always go away from the phone? Why do you not know? Didn't you? Gonna be unimmortal. I think I found Mother, but we're not bringing her. Okay, where are you? I'm down here, didn't you know? Okay, I found you. So what you gonna do? What do you want? Kill people? Let's kill our mother. Hello guys. Hello mother. Wait, this is yours? Yes. So funny, you're not. She was, I smell it. Bye bye then. Well, I guess I can finish her off then. In the butt. Oh, he left his gun. Oh, just that. Hey, Mom. Yes. Have this in your head. No. And have a virus thing. Oh. She's a zombie. She's a zombie. Come over here. No. Yes. Oh no. She's actually a zombie. No, you are gonna die. I am scared. Oh. And dude, why are you finding your back? Still alive. I thought. Touch me. I've had enough. Touch me. I have nothing. I have. Zombie. And 10 hours later. Platform where you do stuff. everyone, welcome to the platform. And why? Because everyone in the world is gonna be playing this. Even a baby, yes. That one has been eliminated. Okay, then there's gonna be another platform. Wanna know for what? For what? Where the zombies will be at. Oh nah. You gotta be kidding me. I don't wanna fight zombies. You will have to. Oh my god. How much is that gonna be? There's gonna be 25. I'm gonna kill myself after this. You're already maybe gonna be dead. I know. Are those the zombies? Those are the zombies. And you are gonna be fighting them. But they're not even zombies. They are gonna be zombies. In a second when the virus splash comes. Dude, I don't want to be fighting zombies. I've already said. Well, too bad. You will. Splash coming. Oh, if it gets or not. I don't care. Run. Who? You are... No. Oh my. Wait a second.
Where's Kiara? Where's Mira? Mira, I see. Where's Kiara?
Okay, guys. A lot of things are coming. No, please. I don't want to be a virus. Have to. Oh, no. I do it. And it. Everyone will be fighting the zombies. When they get those, everyone, one person gets a knife, which is gonna be the red card. No, I get the worst weapon, and everyone else gets a sword. Oh, this looks so good. Yeah, I know. Oh, you're too close to me. Okay, and then what? I might hit you. You just did. You'll be in friendly mode, no hitting other people. Stop. And the front man, red guard will go for. Dude.
Anyways.
Much better.
Look at my hair glossy on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Look. Okay.
Yes. Look at the word guy. I do not know. I got myself hurt. When you get hit, you I'm dead. I guess Pumpkin and Cactus are oofed out of these rounds. Oh, I guess I get a sword then. Next door to corn. Yay. Wait, wrong area. Two. There we go. Dude, my sword. And then these two will get nothing because they're at the back. Okay. You go first, God. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's a little platform that you have to jump through. Come over here. Oh my. You fool, you're gonna get. Okay, wait. No, no, no. No, the platform. And the platform. Next up, Blackguard. Okay, Blackguard is getting thrown off, I guess. Oh, he was alive. Okay. First zombie is a bit damaged. You still guys are fine. No, the first zombie. Dude, 456. Oh. He has a virus. I guess if I touch that, I'll be in the virus. Dude. Get that away. I do not want to have a second virus. That nearly touched me. Hopefully the sword is better than the knife. The knife was the worst one of all. The sword is longer, so they won't be able to touch it. Oof. Someone help me! Getting thrown to the spinny thing. No. Next up, another frontman. Oh my, this is gonna be easy. And I know what I can just do. Auto rifle. But then they'll go back. Oh. Too bad. Oh, they can't. Like, they are zombies. Dude. Oh, there one. Some died. Oh, I forgot they can't ever die. No. Damn, we can't come back. Okay, zombie bag. Ooh, a gun. I'm gonna take that. Oh, perfect. Wow. I can make a platform. Frontman 2 eliminated. Ooh! Baby man eliminated. To get the zombie infection. Oh my god, I have its head. Dear. Maybe eliminate the bird can be sooner. Oh, a few zombies down from the deer. Perfect. One. You all are coming back.
Hiccups.
Ooh, a sword. What? Oh my. You touched me. Melon, you might want to watch out because you're right next to the edge. Don't look down. I want to. Oh my. Haha, get pushed. Ah. I can do that to Melon. What are you doing? Melon eliminated. Pumpkin gonna be eliminated. Oh, why did you do this, corn? Oh no. The head's following me because I maybe have karma. This sucks, and then you get a sword in your head. I'm not dead yet. So you can't talk, and then. Sword coming back to platform. What the? Oh, my head. Oh, sword hit the floor. Robot and Dragonfruit eliminated. Oh no. Oh no. Platform can fall any second. The platform's starting to fall. Corn, hold on tight. Help us, help someone. Someone help me, help. Okay, I'll hold on as tight as I can. I have BB on me. I'm falling down. Every time from this anything out, I'll be ended. Wait, you might get pushed. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Zombie platform full. Why are we still on here? Oh my goodness, again. Guys, thank you for watching. There's some bye and dead monsters and wait.